Here are the timetables and dates for government teaching exams in Tamil Nadu in 2023. Exam, date, time. TNTET exam 2023, March 2024, to be announced. TNTRB teacher recruitment 2023, January 7, 2024, to be announced. Please note that these are tentative dates and are subject to change. The official exam dates will be released by the respective exam conducting authorities. Additional information: the Tamil Nadu Teacher Recruitment Board, TNTRB, conducts the TNTRB Teacher Recruitment Exam for the recruitment of graduate teachers, Block Resource Teacher Educators, BRTE, in school education and other departments. The Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, TNTEU, conducts the TNTET exam for the recruitment of teachers for primary and upper primary schools in Tamil Nadu. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.